Dogecoin rallies 9% as Elon Musk takes 9.2% stake in Twitter, and investment bank CD is bullish on the Metaverse, predicts $13 trillion economy. Welcome to today's news. I'm Jack Brown from Crypto Daily. News that Tesla's CEO Elon Musk had nabbed a 9.2% stake in Twitter saw the CEO favorite cryptocurrency Dogecoin jump by 9%. According to an SEC filing, Musk has purchased 73,486,938 shares of common stock, with TWTR trading at $39.31 at Friday's close. This brings the total purchase to more than $2.8 billion. As for the price of Twitter's stock, it has already jumped more than 26% before markets opened. Elsewhere in the crypto world, the price of Dogecoin, one of Musk's favorite cryptocurrencies, appears to be benefiting from the news of Musk's newfound Twitter stake. In the last 24 hours, Dogecoin has surged by almost 9% and currently stands at $0.153. Musk bought the Twitter stake hot off the heels of a survey he conducted about Twitter's adherence, or lack of adherence, to free speech. Free speech is essential to a functioning democracy. Do you believe Twitter rigorously adheres to this principle? Musk's Twitter survey asked. Over 2 million Twitter users responded, of which 70% believed Twitter did not adhere to the principle of free speech. The Tesla CEO purchase of a stake in Twitter comes as the social media platform is exploring the possibilities of decentralization. In November last year, Twitter announced a new, dedicated crypto team whose chief responsibility is to explore possibilities in the decentralized app space. Twitter Crypto is led by Tess Reinierson, who Twitter said at the time was tasked with setting strategy for the future of crypto at Twitter. The team is also tasked with exploring ways to incorporate decentralized technologies into Twitter infrastructure itself. Crypto enthusiasts have also been calling for a move towards decentralized social media platforms. In November 2021, Solana co-founder Raj Gokul said he needed to be freed from centralized social media, as he announced a $100 million initiative for Web3 social media technology alongside Reddit's co-founder Alexis Ohanian. In December last year, a thought experiment penned by Orange Paper suggested that if the invention of Bitcoin had preceded that of Twitter, the technology that underpins the flagship cryptocurrency would have caused Twitter's evolution to go down a path of decentralization from much earlier in its lifespan. In other news, investment bank CD said in a Thursday report that the Metaverse economy could reach $13 trillion by 2030. But it will take time, and computational efficiency would need to improve massively, says the big bank. Total Metaverse users could also reach around 5 billion, the New York-based multinational said in its Thursday Metaverse and Money report. But it will take time, CD added, with the content streaming environment of the Metaverse likely needing a computational efficiency improvement of over 1,000 times today's levels. We believe the Metaverse is the next generation of the Internet, combining the physical and digital world in a persistent and immersive manner, and not purely a virtual reality world, the report said. Based on our definition, we estimate the total addressable market for the Metaverse economy could grow to between $8 trillion and $13 trillion by 2030. But getting to that market level is going to require infrastructure investment, the report added. Investment will be needed in areas such as compute, storage, network infrastructure, consumer hardware, and game development platforms. The Metaverse is a future, more immersive version of the Internet, where people will supposedly share worlds and interact with each other via 3D avatars. Facebook is betting big on the Metaverse. It changed its name to Meta last year, and CEO Mark Zuckerberg said the company will invest $50 million over the next 2 years to research the tech. Metaverse worlds already existing users can dive into them. Decentraland, a crypto-powered virtual world that Decrypt has explored, is one example. CD said that one of the biggest use cases for the Metaverse will most likely be gaming, and that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum could be the money people use to make transactions in the virtual worlds. Though the bank said stablecoins, tokens that are pegged to fiat currencies, and even possibly central bank digital currencies may also be used. Given the high volatility of most cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, with their relative stability, usually linked to fiat, are already showing promising adoption as a medium of exchange. We should expect to see stablecoins play a major role in the metaverse as a form of money, the bank noted. The bank added that NFT are likely to be digital property in the metaverse. NFT are unique tokens that are used to signify ownership over digital assets. The market for NFT exploded to over $23 billion last year, according to data from DappRadar. SIDUS, one of the world's biggest investment banks, is not the only major player in traditional finance with its eyes on the metaverse. In January, Goldman Sachs gave what now seems like a comparatively bearish prediction for the market. It expects the metaverse economy to grow to as large as $8 trillion. That's all for now. Stay tuned for the coming news. Have a nice time.